Hello everyone, this is Abdus Salam once again in front of you. Hope you all are fine. I am also doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. So, dear lovely friends, today actually I have come here at this moment and at this location because I went to market with my two friends uh, and they are discuss and video making purposes. I have come here with my friends and we went to market and on the way actually I decide this location actually very nice. That's why I have come here, and as you can see, dear friends, this is the actually mountain I think, and as we can see, and in our behind side you can see this is the hill, actually big hill, and so stone quarry it's called, and so many workers working stone digging. So actually it's the a small pond, and this is the pond, and so very nice, and and behind side so many uh, women's bathing in the pond and their friends, and this is the tree, and it's the shal tree. I cannot proper meaning for English language. So dear friends, and this is the evening time, and today weather and very hot, actually I feel warm, and I cannot making video making purposes. I have come here because I went to market and return my home. At that time I decide on video making and practicing for English language. And dear friends, this is my two friends. He they are also making video for blogging video, and one friend, he is actually uh, actually Hindi blogger, and so thank you, bye bye, next time, see you.